Hey guys, I am back with another video on console dir, and we have couple of methods available here, dir and dir XML. So we are going to compare additionally with the .log method function, so that we usually use inside our programming. So let's just see in action. So dir, first of all, what is dir? Dir is basically provides an additional information printed in an object-based notation. What do I mean by that is like if I it actually prints out a navigable tree of an associated properties of an object. For example, just let me just say dir, and I'm having let person equals to person name, and if I say Amit, right? So this is a consider this. So right here, if I say console.dir, then dir will provide the additional properties that are associated with this object. If I provided an if I provide an array, then it would do the similar thing. So anything that you are going to pass here, that this is going to provide an additional properties associated with them, right? So let me just run it. Okay, what happened to it? Okay, so I have declared it will var. Let's just see now. Let Okay, I need to refresh it actually. Now it will work, right? So array has some methods and properties that are associated with it, and that is why the dir is basically showing all those list of methods that are associated, right? So now we will see the dir xml. Right, so dir XML is an XML representation of the object that you are going to provide here, right? So actually it prints out a navigable tree of XML and HTML element types. So what we see in inspector element tab panel, like this navigable tree, right? You can see this HTML tag has head tag, and head tag has body tag, and this is how you expand and all collapse those things. That you can do the similar kind of behavior you can see with the dir XML. So let's say I'm going to print the document here. Document, right? So document. Actually, one more thing that I forget to say is dir XML. Actually, each and every browser has their own implementation. So right now they are displaying based on the object notation that we see with the dir. So if I say in Firefox, there is no difference between dir and dir XML. So this isn't dir, right? The similar kind of representation is in dir XML, right? If I see these things in Chrome, there would be a little different representation. How it works, let's just see. So now see, this is an object type notation, key and then value, right? And this document which is coming from the dir XML is basically having the HTML tags, XML tags, right? XML based tags, right? So this is an XML based representation inside the browser. So this is quite handy when you work with displaying the different type of data uh, using the console API, right? So there's one more thing is like difference between the dir and log. Log actually works with two string methods. So let's say console.log, and I'm similar having person, right? Person, right? So let me just say person and person both have similar kind of implementation, because this browser does play a very big role while printing this value. So let me just create a two string so that you can make out a difference between them. So if I run it here, both are if I run it now, so here you can see this foo and foo both are showing their properties, because this functionality depends on the browser. So if we are going to see this in Chrome, let's just see in Chrome, then you see this actually works in two string based, right? And this works in object, right? Now you can see the navigable tree here, all those methods and the navigable tree associated with it, right? Why I'm comparing with the different browsers in this video, because this because each and every browser has their own implementation, and developers should know about the browser so that they can make out a difference while writing piece of code, right? So if you didn't know these changes inside the browser, you never come to know like what is going to happen next, right? So that's it, guys. I think if you liked my video, please do subscribe and share my channel. Thanks.